Well, I do like what we're doing right now, but I gotta admit, that might be a little more fun.
More expensive too, though. The price of fuel.
Yes, and I'm thinking that our carbon footprint is much lower.
Much. And this is healthier for us.
Right. I don't think that pilot is getting this.
Jump out
Oh, yeah, big one out there. I was going to say, I don't think that pilot is getting the same kind of core workout that we're getting paddling out here. He's probably fat, that's it.
He's going to go eat a hamburger.
We're much better being here in the canoe. It's either landing or making a hell of a low pass.
One hell of a low pass.
Oh, you mean...
Maybe he's helping the fishermen and scaring the fish away from the shore.
So you're saying we don't have to worry because the canoe's yellow, like he won't accidentally land on us?
Yeah, exactly. It's not like we're inconspicuous out here.
Yeah, got it.
Yellow boat, yellow jackets, yellow life jackets.
Right.
Dorky hats.
I think we're safe.
White.
That's an osprey right there. Look at it just hanging. Did it grab something right off the tree?
Yeah, right off the tree.
Huh. This is the Sandpiper Golf Resort, and the airstrip is right here on the waterfront, literally. Can't see it with the reeds in the way, but there's a gravel strip right here. The clouds still haven't lifted off the mountains.
They're very low today. French alpine. Not that I've seen the Alps. Other than sound of music.
Well, we're on our way back over to the park. Let's see if I can get it on video from here. Oh, I got it. There's a bald eagle sitting on the piling right up ahead. Oh, there it is. Yep, hopefully it won't take off before we get closer and I can get a better shot of it, or maybe a shot of it taking off. Looked like it. There it goes. Sorry I'm not helping paddle. It's kind of hard while on video.
All right.
That's the only reason I video, so I don't have to paddle.
The truth is out.
Yeah, well, at least I admit it. This is home. I can try and help paddle, but I'll probably mess up the video.
Okay. We're in still water now, so we can coast. It doesn't take a lot of effort here.
We went a long way today.
Yeah, we did.
A few miles, I bet. I want to check it out on Google Earth and see how far we went.
Look at the pedometer, or the paddleometer. How many strokes?
Not sturgeon.
They're not sturgeon. They're like guppies. Brace yourself for impact.
We're home. Here we are, out of the water.
Haven't got my land legs back yet.
There's the road to nowhere. And you can see down here at the base of the park, got the nice pavilion down here. And a fantastic environment for RVing.
So you can see the difficulty involved in transporting our boat now.
Oh yeah, it's very difficult to get the boat back up to the house. Very challenging. There's our little cart we made. Works very well. A couple of bike wheels and some wood.
Simple but effective. It actually rows easier on ground than in the water.